Dungeon Meister, A Drinking Master's Guide by Jeff Aldrich and John Taylor. 75 RPG cocktail recipes to shake up your campaign. Now we are going to be mixing a Kobold Fashioned. Our drink master is Super John.
All right, we're going with the typical old fashioned here, but the Kobold Fashioned has a few extra ingredients. One of the things we're going to note on it is that it uses a rye whiskey, so we're going with the High West, made in Utah, I believe. It's a double rye. Again, same thing here as we got 4 people who want to drink, and I'm not making 4 of them. So this goes with a simple syrup, a whiskey, and then bitters, and you can add a few garnishes. So here's what we're going to do. We cleaned out the refrigerator here of all the simple syrups we could find. Apparently we like to drink these, and so we're just going to start with the syrup. We're going to pour. Does the syrup go bad?
Nah.
It's just sugar and water or something like that. All right, so we're going to mix these very exact and precise. We're going to put what's left of a bottle in there. All right, we've got a little bit more left of a bottle here. So that is going to be about 6 ounces exactly right there.
I'm not sure you know what exactly means, El Guapo.
That's exactly. See, it's labeled here.
Would you say it was a plethora?
A plethora. Thanks, that means a lot. All right, so we've got our simple syrup, and so depending on where you go, people like to mix these about 50-50. I think that's a little weak. So we're gonna go, I'm just gonna put enough in there to make it feel special. Is that too much? I apologize. All right. No, that's not too much. I mean, 4 people drinking that much bourbon? Come on. You make drinks your way and I'll make them mine. So we're just gonna shake that up. Okay, so now we're going to use a sanitary device to put some ice in every glass. All right, that's as fancy as we can make them. So first things first, I tell you what, Old Fashioned's a good drink. It's one of my favorites. So we're gonna taste this first because somebody said stop. We're gonna make sure it's a little sweet, a little too sweet. All right, so never listen to the guy behind the camera. That's way too sweet. So we're just gonna give that just a little bit of a top off, just enough to make us feel a little something in the morning. All right, and so now we got ice in all of our glasses. We've got the whiskey and the syrup in here. So all the syrup is doing is taking the bite off of that whiskey, making it a little bit more tolerable. The rye comes in, gives it a little bit of a spice. Oh, these look delightful. This kind of drink you could take home to mom and dad.
Sounds like music.
Okay, now it's the time for the garnishes. So the bitters give it a little bit of these are called an aromatic bitter. A little bit of a cinnamon flavor, basically. Just a little droppy drop. Oh, a little too much in that one. I'm not gonna drink that one. And there we go. So that's bitters. And then we're also going to take a maraschino cherry. Make it feel nice and cozy. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
That is fancy.
Some people, a lot of places love using a lime peel or an orange peel, that zest for garnish. I think that's wasteful.
Showing off.
That's just stupid. You save oranges for your juice in the morning. You save lime for your margaritas. We're going to use here our drumstick mixer. Just a quick mix on each of these.
Ba-dum-bum.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a Kobold Fashioned.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.